Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss what is HTML. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is HTML? HTML Hypertext Markup Language is a standard markup language used to create web pages. It provides a set of tags that are used to define the structure and content of a web page. HTML is an essential part of web development and is used to create everything from simple static web pages to complex web applications. HTML allows developers to create content that can be interpreted by web browsers and displayed on a user's device. It enables developers to define headings, paragraphs, images, links, and other content elements on a web page. HTML also allows for the inclusion of multimedia content such as videos and audio files and can be used to create interactive features such as forms. The uses of HTML are diverse and wide-ranging. HTML is used to create websites of all kinds, from simple personal blogs to complex corporate websites. It is also used to create web applications such as online shopping carts, social networking sites, and web-based email clients. Additionally, HTML is used to create mobile applications for smartphones and tablets, as well as to create ebooks and other digital applications. So I have here my references. Mayer E 2021 HTML Basics, Smith J 2021 An Introduction to HTML, W3C 2021 HTML Applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.